All right, let's kick off birthdays this morning. We're starting young with Nolan Kennan out of Nevada, turning 9 this go around. Happy birthday, Nolan.
And down in Riverton, Caden Quick is celebrating birthday number 14 this year. And look at that catch there, Nick. Nice job, Caden.
Certainly a lot better than I would ever do. Moving on now to Girard, we've got Seth Wilson turning 15 this go around with man's best friend right at his side.
I know, that's a great picture there, Seth. And his dog. All right, and Sweet 16 for Serena Kerr. And that's a really interesting image behind her. It looks like a tube of something that's coming out.
Maybe that's toothpaste, I don't know.
Yeah, it's green though.
I don't know if I can't think of green toothpaste offhand.
I'm curious to find out where that is. Let us know, let us know. Serena is 16 this year in Chanute with birthday love coming from Mom, Dad, and Danielle.
Moving on, 21 this go around for AJ Hagerman. It's a happy birthday, not just from us, but actually his birthday will be on Sunday, but certainly with love from Mom and Nana.
Yeah. And in Pittsburgh, Shannon Beasley turned in 23 years old this year. Hope you have a wonderful day, Shannon.
And with this next photo, we're going to focus on the guy on the left. Still, I think, photobombing the baby's picture there. That would be Dakota Farron, turning 23 out of Parsons. Happy birthday, Dakota.
Happy birthday, Dakota. And let's see, Hillary Evans there on the left as well. She's turning 37 in Columbus.
And staying in Columbus, Miss Karen Martin, or Mrs., I should say, Karen Martin, turning 57 out of Columbus. We'll say Mrs. because your husband Steve wants to make sure you get a happy birthday this go around.
All right, and in Baxter Springs, John Tessman celebrates birthday number 65, and that's him on the right.
And down the road in Crestline, a happy birthday to Miss Carol Phelps, who says she's turning 80, but she does not look that old.
No, she does not.
No, she does not. Happy birthday, Miss Carol.
Happy birthday, Miss Carol. And a happy birthday to one of our Minute 4 State heroes. We thank you for your service. What an awesome picture there of Kenneth Lawler, who's now 89 years old. Happy birthday, Kenneth.
And thank you for your service, sir. Moving on to our first anniversary on the list, Mark and Terry Thompson out of Pittsburgh, 39 years together, and here's to many more for you two.
All right, lovely picture there. And let's see, our birthday list goes on. We've got Jim Harvey and Arma, happy birthday to you. And in the bus, that's where the party's at for Louise Hart and Zach Miller. Happy birthday.
We got Janice Kellerman out of Iola, getting a birthday this weekend. Happy birthday. And we also have out of Lamar, Jerry Harris, turning 62 with this trip around the sun. And we have an anniversary yesterday, but still nonetheless, happy 30th to Wayne and Paula Hutchison.
They'll be celebrating all weekend long.
Absolutely.
And in Carterville, George Buckner turns 13 years old, and Vicki Kennedy celebrating the Big 5-0 this weekend in Pittsburgh.
That's all we got.